Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming power and basic connections. Make sure battery is above 20% and the headset is turned on. Next, visually inspect the left bud, mesh, and magnet for debris or twisting. Clean gently with a dry brush. Once done, forget the Beats Flex on your phone and pair again. Make sure to complete pairing prompts. If one side remains silent, swap audio sources to rule out device output. This narrows the problem fast. You now focus on software and signal path. Open the device app or phone settings to check for a Beats firmware update. Install it if present because firmware often fixes channel issues. Then, test mono audio and call routing. Adjust balance to center and play audio from a dedicated test track to see if the left channel responds. Once done, try a wired adapter or change Bluetooth codec to SBC/AAC to confirm whether wireless compression is causing dropouts. You finish with hardware troubleshooting and decisive fixes. Carefully flex the cable near the left bud while playing audio. If sound cuts or crackles, you likely have a broken internal wire. Replace the cable or left module. If cleaning and firmware didn't help, swap ear tips and the magnetic connector assembly, then test again. Finally, if none of this works and you're under warranty, contact Beats support. Otherwise, consider a replacement part or professional repair.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.